Hey guys, this is Chris with MarketIntelligence.com, and on today's video I'm going to explain you about a new method. Actually, it's not very new, it's been there for a while, but it's getting really hot leads right now because it's paying well and it's free. It's called Earn Easy Commissions, and if you're watching this video and you're like me, you're looking for legit, not scam ways, free to start to make money. So if you're interested on this one and you're like me, stick to this because I tested it, it works, and I will give you all the information just in a bit. Before we go ahead and start this video, I would like to ask you to go ahead and click my #1 recommendation to make money online. And if you like the content of this video, thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So with no further ado, let's do this video. Okay, the site is called Earn Easy Commission, guys. And it's being launched 2016, but the last 2 years started to kick up really fast. You can pretty much just do the referrals and everything else is automated for you. As I told you, I tested the site. I have been a member for the last 2 weeks or so, and it's going well. Actually, I started as a free member, and as you can see, I have upgraded. So I will talk to you. I'm jumping here and there because I'm excited. As you can see right now, my whole page, I'm on the pro level. So, but before we go ahead and start, let me show you this video from Chuck, which is the owner from the site. Yeah, so let me just 2 seconds to watch this video because I want you to see how nicely this guy is describing about the different levels and how you can go from there. Just 1 second.
Done for you autopilot commissions. Now this
second, let me minimize this. Hopefully you can see.
This is the first program out there where anyone, including complete beginners, can make their first $100,000 online using an automated, done-for-you system that does all the work and all the selling for you. And the best part is, I'm not charging you a single cent to use my system.
Which is great.
It's completely free to use. Now, how is this all here possible? Well, it's because I do things a bit differently. You see, the online marketing industry is changing. Back in the days,
guys, I'm gonna pause. I just gonna scroll really quick to see there is different level, guys, that you can start on this program. There you go. All right, you can see that you have free members. 1 second. Let's see this
program. I'm letting you clone my entire system absolutely for free. This is why I say that this is the first free program where anyone, including complete beginners, can make their first $100,000 online using an automated selling system that does all the work and all the selling for you. This is why my vision for Earn Easy Commission is to have a 100% success rate. That means 100% of my members make it.
Okay guys, I'm not gonna tie you with this. I just wanted you to see really fast how this system works. And what I like about it, because they're really confident, which I love about programs are there. They are confident enough to start you for free, yeah. And after you start gaining money, you can proceed from there. So let me show you. As I see, I started for free, 2 weeks. I get my commissions. Commissions getting paid on your PayPal account every single week. So I was able to gather my commissions. I upgraded to pro level. Then you have the elite and you have the VIP. As you upgrade, the nice thing is you upgrade that you get more commissions and more benefits. Especially when you become a VIP member, guys, the benefits are amazing because you can get commissions not only from your referrals that you can start for free, but you can get commissions by the referrals from people that are registered to creating your accounts with Aweber or GetResponse. You're gonna need and ClickMagick that you're gonna need. If you already have the accounts though and you're using these companies or these tools, because these are tools, you will be able to use those. Just put your account there and you don't have to start on creating your account, which also I love. Very nice things. So what you need to do, below the email on this description of this video, you will see my link that you'll be able to click. This is the link up here. I don't know if you can see it from the video, but you will see it from here. It's Digital Elites, ClickFunnels, and will take you to this page. All you need to do, put your email, create your free system account and you go from there. Guys, if you stick to the free account, which I strongly suggest to try it, anything else is automated. You will get your referral link and start pushing it out with your methods and start making money. Again, amazing. Weekly commissions per your account. So I gave it a shot to see if this is another scam or if it's working. It does, and I'm really excited about this. Once I started my commissions, what I did from there on, I upgraded to the new level. Start for free, and once you get the commissions from the free account, you can then use those money to upgrade and then go from there. Don't put any money down until you see that this program is actually legit and is working, and this is for you. So this is what I wanted to see. This is a program that actually works. I tested it, it's nice, and you can go ahead and start this program today. The link is below this site here, the video, sorry. You can find the link under this video. Click it because you need a referral to start, and you can see the people who referred you. It's gonna be once you log in on your dashboard. As it says on the page, that's why I love the page here. It's 100% free, and you can start making 150, 250, or even 1,000 by simply starting a free website, which is, sorry, sharing a website, not starting, sharing. This is for the free, this is for the pro, this is for the elite, and this is for the VIP. So each member, guys, that you refer goes from there. And once you put your email and you get the review, you can able to see that if these people that you refer other people, and then from there on these people upgrade, you'll be getting a commission. So if somebody gets 1,000 upgrades to elite and gets 1,000, you'll get a commission out of this. But I don't want you to make things complicated. You will see how it works. Enter your email, start from there, create your free account, push it out, and you will see the results coming in even in the same night. That was the video. It was all about earn easy commissions today. Click the link below to proceed. I hope you like the content of this video. It's not a scam, it's tested. I'm already upgraded to a pro member. If you have any questions, drop me a message and I will take it from there. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and as always, I do invite you to click the #1 recommendation below this video. I'd like you to invite you to subscribe my channel if you haven't already, where you can see videos we tested, ways you can make money online. And if you like the content of this video, don't forget to click the thumbs up. Thank you for watching, guys, and have an amazing day ahead.